80% of the world would die. You'd have to live underground for the next 100 to 200 years. The real reason they use these nuclear weapons, because, the only person to ever use them, was us. So we got to admit that. And we'll probably be the first ones to use it anyway if we get excited. But the really reason he wants them is because he wants to show the world that his country can produce and deserves to be in not only political conversation, but economical conversation. We can enrich plutonium, so I have good scientists. We can make rockets that accurately fire large distances, so I should be able to participate in the space station in the space race with you guys. He doesn't want to blow anybody up. Nobody wants to blow anybody up. We all want to live. So I need you guys to calm down when these things happen and realize he's just asking for some respect because he wants to show, like America, like the European countries, like some of the other countries that are powers, their ability of science, technology,